Okay, ARC of Baldwin County provides services to persons who are intellectually and physically disabled in Baldwin County. Our goal is to provide services to children, youth, and adults and enable them to have the best quality of life and be allowed to live in the community. To live in the community, they needed assistance with basic life skills and vocational training. So we started our linen business with 2 washers and 1 dryer. From there, we grew to where we're doing approximately 3 million pounds a year now.
We have about 23 linen customers. Is what we have, and we serve about 3,000 properties from condos to rental houses. But we pride ourselves in providing a quality service. We want to send back linen that we know to that customer that they feel confident that it can go back on the bed, and that their customers coming into their unit feel really good. They come in, there's no stains. The linen is clean, it smells clean, and we want that to be, we pride ourselves on that quality. We found out that with a system called UniLinc, we would be able to control and be able to know what our machines were doing. We would be able to run programs and see when we had issues with the machine to try to get and be as more efficient as we possibly could. So UniLinc has allowed us and is allowing us the opportunity to really keep a closer watch and maintain a better watch over our products that go to our customers. Consistency, having the same process every day, the same way is extremely important. Same way with terry cloth. If our white terry cloth is cycle number 2, then they can punch cycle number 2, transfer it from the washer to the dryer, and it goes in cycle number 2. The simplicity of that, the consistency of that, that's very important with the clientele that we work with here at ARC. We're not in a perfect world, so we do have issues. And so with those issues, if someone calls and says, you know, we had an issue, we don't feel like our terry cloth was as soft, it didn't come out as soft as it normally would from you guys. So being able to use the UniLinc to look at each particular machine individually, we could actually pinpoint, do we have a problem with machine number 1 or was it machine number 10? And you can do that by just simply going in and pulling it up on the computer. I don't have to do it, try to track down 3 or 4 different people who may have handled those particular items that day. So it makes the process a little bit simpler. It wasn't a human error, it could have been a machine error possibly. And with UniLinc, it will let me know that. With the UniLinc system, I do think we have a little better control over our linen right now. We have a little better control over the process that we go through to wash. We can, through the UniLinc, it will allow us to, I think, become more efficient in trying to save money in-house and trying to save money for our customers. We can become more efficient through UniLinc, especially knowing that a machine is being ran properly. And so by using the UniLinc system, you're able to maintain, and you can really watch what is going on with each individual machine. Being able to look at those maintenance reminders will be a huge benefit. You have a lot of money invested in equipment. You have a lot of money tied up. And so you want to know that the little things to help maintain that equipment you do, and you want to do them in a timely manner. We don't have an on-site maintenance person. We depend on our local supplier, our local rep, and their training, their mechanics to come in and do those. But if we've got that report, we can tell them what's going on with that piece of equipment before they get here. We can actually save ourselves money in being able to say, hey, we pulled up the report. This is the issue we have with the machine. Make sure you bring the parts that we need to repair it. So now I don't have to pay a double service call. I've got the serviceman coming in, making the service call, making the repair that we need. Now I've got that piece of equipment back up and running sooner. So for 24 years, we've used UniMac equipment. UniMac equipment has been very good to us. Service, maintenance, very few service calls on a UniMac piece of equipment. We don't have a lot of maintenance issues with those. You do the things on your end that you're supposed to do, and you've got a piece of equipment for 20 years. And that's our hope with the equipment that we have now in our new facility. And we hope that through the UniLinc, by investing the money into the UniLinc system, that the UniLinc system will help us maintain the equipment that we have now. So 20 years from now, we're not replacing equipment. Maybe we're adding new equipment in.